Okay, y'all. Hi, Dr. Maria Swetech here, and my brother, Dr. John Swetech.
We have a big announcement for you guys. We tried to do it on live, but it started raining and we lost reception.
Yeah, bad weather here.
There's no Wi-Fi on this side. So, all right, you guys ready for this? We are so excited to announce our great expansion. We're out back right now. So this is going to be a little backwards from when you walk in. Take a look.
So I don't know what saved already, but what we were saying is our amazing patients have invested so much into us, so we've wanted to invest in you guys as well. So we're working on this expansion. Sorry if some of this is repetitive from our Facebook Live. We lost connection. We ended up drinking our smoothies in our frustration trying to get back on the internet. But here, I'm going to have Dr. John take over the camera and give you guys a quick tour.
All right, so basically we're kind of coming in the back way. It's all going to make sense when it's connected, and you guys are going to love this. It's going to be a state-of-the-art place. We're going to have a lot of extra exam rooms. A lot of them are going to have windows. Our workflow is going to be spectacular. Everything's kind of been planned out and purposeful.
An amazing team is out here working at things. If you've been by the office lately, I'm sure you've heard some of the music through the walls and some of the pounding, but it's all worthwhile.
Yeah, pardon the dust. So, let's see here. For those of you guys that know our layout pretty well, our existing waiting room's on the other side of this. We're going to be opening that up. It should be like a nice hotel lobby, and check-in will probably be across when you walk in. We'll give you guys some updates and tours as it's going on, but basically, let's see here. I'm trying to think how to explain this. It's a lot. It's going to make sense when it's all said and done, but
a lot of energy has gone into planning the flow and everything throughout the office, so it's very exciting. Kind of nerve-wracking, but very exciting.
The thought is we want it to be like a doctor's office, but a little bit less like a doctor's office.
Exactly.
I think you guys are going to appreciate that when it's said and done, and we're excited.
Yes, and how Dr. John just said, actually some motivation came from one day our office manager, Stacy, was looking down the main hallway in our office where our exam rooms are located. And she proposed the question, how do we make our office look less like a doctor's office? Yes, it's important to look like a doctor's office, but since our mentality is we want a place of wellness, that's kind of what we're trying to develop here. So we'll kind of run you guys through around here. This will be again in the main area. There's going to be a little nurses station and everything right here, and a little staff area. Some of our existing side will still remain the same. We're going to have another little pod area here, some exam rooms around, and then we'll probably have a connection through to the other side right here.
We're definitely going to have a connection.
Yes, we are. I don't know why I said
we'll have some updates on that side too. I know we were a little tight on space. We try our best. I know, but it takes time to get these things going. So we did what we could, and we're going to grow in here nicely. We're excited for you guys. We're very blessed to have you guys and the opportunity to expand this place. So hopefully we can grow the team bigger and take care of more and more of you guys. You guys are awesome.
Yeah.
We'll do some updates. We want to do this on Facebook Live, but apparently it just started storming, and you guys don't know how the internet's been lately.
All our other Smoothies with the Swetechs episodes have been beautiful sunny days, and today there was a little rainfall. That's great. Rainfall's supposed to be good luck, so it's all right.
Well, that's kind of why we did the indoor one today.
Yeah.
Actually, speaking of that though, we probably will have a generator going too, so when power's out, we've always made it work, but that shouldn't be an obstacle. Yeah, I mean, we'll keep you guys posted. We just want to get that out there. We're thinking about an educational one too, but we'll save that for next time. Just wanted to share the great news with you all, and hope all's well.
And the little smoothie recipe today was easy. It was something thrown together last minute. 2 cups of frozen mangoes, 2 cups of frozen cherries, 2 cups of milk, and 2 cups of spinach, raw cleaned spinach, and a scoop of whey protein. Hope you guys enjoyed it if it fits your unique health narrative.
Thanks for tuning in for Smoothies with the Swetechs, Dr. John Swetech.
I'm Dr. Maria Swetech.
Thanks for being a part of the #1 primary care community in Michigan.